Yo, Khago, Dirty Dread, Humbuckler, I just get the message. What you really have said to me, Khago? So you feel say he's a better reggae artist than me? Are you silly or are you dumb? Khago, easy man. What you talk about singing? What you talk about? What are you talking about? Khago, why most of people send me your video them? I'm more than one you do to Khago. You talk about Ras and Trim. Khago, me guilty for the same thing, brother. You Ras your trim, me Ras my trim. You have my reason why I come here. But me always Rasta, brother. You know what I mean? Remember your hairdresser, you know, me are different, you know, man you used to do in the Khago. Watch out now. You talk about Mandeville, Khago, look at. Look there. You don't want to live in Mandeville. You hear it name Mandeville. St. Catherine, me live, brother. I think Elsha. You see me? Yeah, no disrespect to the people every now. Mandeville. But we got the talks of my girl, you know what I mean? Khago, you talk about reggae. Khago, you don't have a reggae sound. You know master reggae sound, brother. Remember your first reggae song, you know? Can't cool, can't quench. This is a song that you know, Khago. This is a melody that you see a song. So know what you talk about bricks. You talk about 5 songs. Alright, me up for the challenge. Where you want to drop first? You want to drop a girl song, reality song, what is it? Because I can just go in my studio, you know. I'm going to do something right this very minute. Khago, you don't know what you just do. You make me laugh. All the birds them out. You hear them? You bird them? You birds them? And we are the singing bird, Khago. Behave yourself. So watch out. We just go in the studio and put something on a rhythm. Or if not, we're going to drop something off our computer. And matter of fact, I'm going to the studio next. You know, chat off your mouth. I want to see your studio, okay? Alright, sir. Competition on, sir. Good music. We've been a live good long time.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S give me another reaction. Woo! Hey, guys, today we are with Bascom X. Yes, good. As they see from the video just a while ago, is a challenge. Him and Khago, they might upload 10 songs each or 5 songs. I don't know how much them are going to go each. To see what the better singer. So Khago send out a challenge and Bascom X accept. Yes. Different type of challenge in a dance style. Different type of vibe. Yes, we never have one of them out here before. So it's good to have something different. So 2 bad artists, 2 bad singer. Khago show up and say, yo, Bascom X make a challenge that. Not bad for our Portmore, come shoot up your house. Make us do this. You see me? Yes. So it's a sing off. Yes, to blood class. Sing off. Yeah. So I'm gonna jump in that one. The one named Good by Bascom X, of course. I'm gonna jump in it and hear where the G said. Let's go. And I will be linking Khago one at the end of this, which I've just released the Khago first one. So I could go in that one. Let's go. Yeah. Device.
'Cause it's a good feeling, baby. The feeling of your own.
I love the rhythm. Walk one!
The way you got me going, baby.
Rhythm! All the favorite singer. Who lead the singer? Bascom and Khago.
It's a good feeling, baby. The feeling of your own.
Khago boy, you say no challenge. I don't know what you think you do.
You got me going, baby.
Khago!
I'm crazy over you.
Man, know what you think you do.
Baby.
I'm bad singer you rap with. Wake up!
So tell me what I gotta do. Just Cause it's a good feeling, baby. The feeling of your own.
Ladies! A Valentine's Day weekend, I go.
Hey, you got me going, baby. I'm crazy over you, baby.
Ladies, I go.
So tell me what I gotta do just to be with you, baby.
Buckler. Because why people love good music.
I make you coffee in the morning time. A bunch of roses from the garden of mine.
Why?
'Cause when you smile, I see forever. Twinkle in your eyes, twinkle in your eyes. On the
Device. Khago, normally, you challenge them, you clash them.
It's a good feeling.
That makes sense.
Baby.
That one make more of a sense because the tone of a bad singer, bro. Bascom X out there, Bascom X.
The way you got me going, baby.
Ladies.
I'm crazy over you, baby.
Hear melodies.
So tell me what I gotta do just to be with you, baby. I make you coffee in the morning time. A bunch of roses from the garden of mine. 'Cause when you smile, I see forever. Twinkle in your eyes, twinkle in your eyes. And the first time I see your mamacita, it's TMO. And no one never made me feel this way before. The missing piece on the puzzle in my arms, you're so secure. Don't need to worry, baby girl, I'm on your own.
What one?
'Cause it's a good feeling, baby. Feeling of you.
Rhythm.
The way you got me going, baby. I'm crazy over you.
Yes, big up on yourself if you know so you don't have somebody in the life making you go crazy.
I'm in love with when you brace it on me.
What?
Night or day under me sensei.
Yeah.
And me just feel the urgency with the tight and warm you hold me, baby. Some good love. Good love. Oh. 'Cause it's a good feeling, baby.
All that man I know if you treat them woman right.
Feeling of you.
All that people I know say I don't know if you treat the woman right. What go on now?
The way you got me going, baby. I'm crazy over you, baby. 'Cause it's a good feeling, baby. Feeling over you.
What one?
The way you got me going, baby. I'm crazy over you, baby.
Yo, who a lead? Which one I sang them a lead? Bascom X, big up yourself, my G. Bascom X, big up yourself. Bascom X, I've been searching for this song and I couldn't find it. And I think I know why I can't find the song them. Bascom X, look on this. I'm gonna show you something, bro. The title of the song, you put good, then Bascom X after. No. Put your name first and then put good after as a title. You understand? As a YouTube want it. And if a person type in Bascom X, then it'll go show up all of your song them. You see me? Yeah. Yeah, bro. Yeah, go on. Also, if you can put something in the description, the video will help get pushed as well. You see me? Maybe put in where them can follow you, where them can find you, where them can contact you with dub or whatever, socials or whatever. Put it in the description, bro. And make it go and cycle on YouTube. And YouTube will then do what it needs to do, alright? So yeah, big up yourself, Bascom. Big up yourself. Big up yourself. Guys, let me know which one of the song them I lead. Which one of the song them are the baddest song. Yeah, which one of the song them are the baddest song. Cause I love them. I love both of them. Big up Khago and big up Bascom. Yes. Big up Khago and big up Bascom for the challenge. Yes, it's a different one. We like it. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section though. I'll catch you guys down there. Alright? Peace, peace, peace.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a record.